Hello and welcome to Stockman Original. I'm Max Ledoux and I'm joined by the original Stockman, Brian Stockman. This channel we're all about showing you the lost arts and the forgotten crafts. But today is a special episode just for our subscribers. It's about 1 year that we've been putting up videos and we have about 365 subscribers. So
nice.
That's kind of cool. And we wanted to say thank you. That's
Definitely.
1 subscriber per day, basically.
Awesome.
And we have about 28 videos, which sort of, about 2 per month. And we've done what? We made a cup with fire.
Yeah.
You showed us how to sharpen a knife.
Yeah. Done the bow and arrow.
Oh, we did the chipping the arrow, and
we
lost the arrowhead in the woods. And
we donated it.
Yeah.
Gave it back.
We worked on some horns. We worked on. Actually, we have some videos that we haven't even put out yet that we're waiting to put out. How to make a turkey call out of a turkey wing bone. That's going to be coming. Working on doing a handle for a knife. But this video is to say thank you.
Absolutely.
And so cheers.
Cheers to you.
Cheers to
Benjamin.
Cheers. Thank you so much for being here with us for this past year. And we are going to keep on doing this because I'm having fun. Yeah.
And we appreciate your support.
And just thank you so much. And we will see you on the next video, which may be, this knife, maybe the turkey wing call, maybe the antler gnome. And we will see you next time. Thank you.
Awesome.